We're out here on my mom's property. It's April 21st. It looks like we found a Russula. It's been a little eaten. And this is our other finds of the day. Haven't really identified most of them. The only reason I know that's a Russula is because we found another one. I think it's nobilis, or I can't remember the other one. But yeah, we're just out here. It rained a couple days ago really hard.
Sounds like it's gonna rain again.
Yeah, it might. But yeah, this is what we got so far. Lots of fun. It's also some sort of hericium mushroom up there. I've gotten it from that spot before, but it looks like more grew. Why are you pouting?
I want that mushroom.
Yeah. It's all the way over there.
I will go get it if I can have it.
Oh, I stepped right through a spider web. There's so many spider webs out here. I haven't really been over here. Let's see. A big animal hole of some sort. Okay, let's figure out how to get through without getting bit by something. There's also tons of ticks out here. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh man. It's all split and eaten up. Oh well.
The key to mushroom hunting is staying low to the ground so that you can become the mushroom.
That is true. That's why we usually crawl through the forest.
Sometimes I go underground.
Looking from underneath the mushrooms is actually the best.
Because you smell them better.
There's some sort of bracket mushroom right here. Let's see. Nice. There's all kinds of stuff out here. I have found these before. I can't really remember what it's called. Still kind of getting the hang of it. Yeah, nice little cluster. Oh man, all these vines. Yeah, we got a little more. We haven't really been able to get clean mushrooms most of the time because I didn't bring my knife. I don't know why I forgot my knife. Always make sure you have a knife.
I want to see a red mushroom.
What?
I want to see a red mushroom.
Help me.
Don't record me.
Why?
I don't consent.
I'm consenting for you.
That was a spider web.
There's always lots of bugs anytime you go out looking for mushrooms.
That's why I stay behind.
You don't want to be the person in front.
No. These mushrooms right. Like a flamethrower.
What? Oh yeah, there's more of those.
Oh, they're cute. I love
orange
them.
ones. I need to figure out what those are. I just can never get them to last long enough for me to identify them. I wonder if there's any stuff up on that tree.